Have you ever wondered if your thoughts could alter reality? If the world around you bends and shifts, not just by what you do, but by what you think? Imagine this. You're daydreaming about an exotic vacation, scrolling through Instagram. A moment later, you notice an ad pop up. Cheaper flights to the exact destination you were picturing. Coincidence? Or is there more to this connection between your mind and the universe? Welcome to the Hidden Continuum, where we explore the unseen threads that connect us to the universe. Here, we dive deep into the mysteries of life, the cosmos, and the mind, unpacking ideas that challenge everything you thought you knew. If you're ready to go beyond the surface, uncover hidden truths, and question the impossible, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and join us on this journey into the unknown. Today, we're tackling one of the most mind-bending questions of all. Can your mind shape reality? Let's dive into the mysterious intersection of quantum physics and consciousness. To understand how this might work, we need to take a trip to the quantum world, a place where the rules of everyday life no longer apply. Here, particles can exist in multiple states at once, teleport across space, and change their behavior simply because we're watching. Yes, you heard that right. The observer effect is real. In experiments like the double-slit experiment, particles of light or matter behave like waves until we observe them. The moment we watch, they snap into a specific state. It's as if the universe waits for us to make a move. Physicist Niels Bohr, a pioneer of quantum mechanics, once said, "If quantum mechanics hasn't profoundly shocked you, you haven't understood it yet." This isn't just theoretical. These principles are the foundation of modern technology. Smartphones, lasers, even the GPS system you rely on every day. But what happens when we connect these bizarre phenomena to something even more mysterious? Human consciousness. Consciousness. The thing that makes you, you. Despite centuries of study, we still don't fully understand what it is or where it comes from. Sure, we know it's linked to the brain, but is it just a byproduct of neural activity, or is it something deeper? Enter the Orch-OR theory, proposed by physicist Roger Penrose and anesthesiologist Stuart Hameroff. According to their research, your brain isn't just a biological computer. It's something far more extraordinary. They argue that tiny structures inside your neurons, called microtubules, might act as quantum processors. These microtubules, they claim, harness quantum phenomena like superposition and entanglement. Translation: your thoughts might be connected to the quantum fabric of reality itself. Sounds wild, right? But here's where it gets really interesting. Let's ask the million-dollar question: can your thoughts influence reality? Some experiments suggest the answer might be yes. Take the Princeton Engineering Anomalies Research, PAIR program, for example. For nearly 30 years, researchers tested whether people could influence random number generators, machines designed to produce completely unpredictable sequences. The results? Subtle but measurable shifts that couldn't be explained by chance alone. And it's not just machines. The placebo effect, a cornerstone of modern medicine, could be another clue. When patients believe they're getting better, their bodies often respond as if they are. What if belief itself, the raw power of thought, can shape physical reality? Even famed psychiatrist Carl Jung believed in a concept called synchronicity, meaningful coincidences that seem too perfect to be random. He argued that these events might be the universe reflecting our inner world. So, could your thoughts, your hopes, dreams, fears, be weaving the very fabric of the universe around you? Before you get carried away, let's talk about the skeptics. They're not buying it. Prominent physicists like Sean Carroll argue that consciousness is a product of classical physics, not quantum magic. Your brain, they say, is like an incredibly complex machine, neurons firing, chemicals flowing, but firmly grounded in the macroscopic world. To them, Linking quantum mechanics to consciousness is like mixing apples and oranges. Fascinating, but unsupported by hard evidence. Yet the questions persist. Why do quantum phenomena seem tied to observation? What role does awareness play in shaping reality? So, can your mind shape reality? The truth is, we don't have all the answers. But maybe that's the point. As physicist Max Planck once said, "I regard consciousness as fundamental. We cannot get behind consciousness. Everything that we talk about, everything that we regard as existing, postulates consciousness." What we know is this. Quantum mechanics has shown us that reality is stranger and more flexible than we ever imagined. Consciousness remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries. And the connection between the two, whether real or imagined, challenges us to see ourselves not as passive observers, but as active participants in the universe. Here's a thought experiment for you. What if, just for a day, you lived as though your thoughts could influence the world around you? What would you focus on? What would you let go of? Remember, the universe isn't just something you're in, it's something you're a part of. And maybe, just maybe, it's waiting for your next thought to take shape. Until next time, keep thinking big, questioning the impossible, and shaping your reality one thought at a time.